Do me a favor, remove the word owner from your vernacular entirely. We understand that there are landlords and operators. Here you say owner/operator, but he's just an operator. That's the guy who runs the laundromat. And we talked about it the other day. So Jim Kim, you said that he called you from a sticky note that you had left. And we're a little ambiguous as to his total involvement here. He does not own the building. And so really the point of this call is to get him to provide the landlord's number. If he's still in this deal, he wants something. It's the way it works. I don't know. I'm guessing. Haven't spoken to him, but I've been doing this a long time. He thinks that he's going to get X number of dollars for the store, or somehow cling to the lease, or maybe sublease the location to you through the landlord. That's why he didn't just say, yeah, man, I'm done. Here's the number. Let's give him a call and see what's what. Stand by. Jim, my name's Danny D'Angelo. You spoke with my partner, Justin Thompson, briefly about the former Laundromat location here in Baltimore. How are you?
Right. Yeah, I'm fine.
So do you own the building or you own the business?
No, I own the business, and
okay.
I built that laundromat for my brother, and unfortunately, my brother passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay.
so
your involvement currently, you have it closed down. What is your intention with the location now?
No, in the middle of the relocating, I took out some machines out of there to put in Riverdale.
To put in what?
Put them in another location in the Riverdale.
So you're moving the location. How many laundromats do you have?
Right now I have two, but now I consolidate the one in a Riverdale location.
So what's your landlord's contact phone number at this location?
Okay, the landlord is Joe, and he's a friend of mine. And what I'm looking for is either somebody going to move in to open up a laundromat, because it saves quite a bit of money. No construction fees or nothing. All you have to do is to buy the equipment.
Hey, Jim?
Yeah.
I've been doing this for 15 years, brother. I'm way
ahead.
Oh,
is that right? So you know what you're doing.
So what's Joe's contact phone number?
Okay. No, actually, you got to talk to me. And I have some machine over there.
So what am I talking to you about, sir?
What I'm either you can open up that location at the laundromat, and other guys who are interested in putting a Korean chicken place. So
okay, Jim.
But I prefer someone like you come in to open up a laundromat.
Great.
Because
Jim, let me stop you right there.
Yeah.
I intend to sign a 15-year lease and spend a few $100,000 on washers and dryers and get the place operating. This is the third time I've asked. Why are you not providing the landlord's contact number? If you're done and you're backing out, are you trying to pull some cash? Are you trying to sell the infrastructure?
No, I left some machines down there. I don't know whether you're interested in buying that thing.
Let's cut to the chase. Why are you not? I'm going to pull the MLS and call the landlord anyway. So what's the issue? I thought you owned the building. You don't.
No. I never said that I own. I
know. I said that I thought that you did. We have several players here, okay, in this Greek tragedy. I'm the future operator. You're the former operator. Then we've got Joe, the landlord. So what are you trying to do? Broker a deal? Sell the few pieces of old equipment that are still in the store? I'm confused. Just tell me what you want.
Right. That's what I want. And I don't know whether you're interested. Otherwise, I have to remove those.
Good God in heaven. No, I don't want your equipment. Okay. What's the landlord's contact number?
Okay. In that case, I give the phone numbers. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll send you to the by text. His number?
No, look, I have MLS. I'm going to pull it up on MLS either way. But I assume Joe speaks English and you're not brokering a deal. I'm not going to buy the business from you at any rate.
No, I know that. I know that.
Okay.
But I'm going to send you a check.
You still have
I checked the number.
Yeah.
I don't remember his number.
No, it's in your phone. I get you. I hear you. Do you have any lease term remaining?
Yeah, I have about 2.5 years. Yes.
Okay, but you're willing to walk away from those 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
right. I'm not here to ask any questions about how you operate it or what the situation or scenario is. I'm looking to retool the store, which you did not.
Okay, you don't want the equipment. That's fine. I'll give you my landlord the number.
Perfect. Text
and
it to me.
Yeah, that's what
Thank
I'm
you, Joe.
intent to do. If you want me.
Thank you, Jim.
All right.
All right. Well, there you have it. Will he now, like I said initially, I don't expect you to get involved in heavy conversation with these operators, but if it happens, that whole call was mental masturbation. That entire call was just me saying, hey, I'm not going to buy the place from you, bro. You failed. Now, the real question is, why did he fail? Why is he moving his equipment? He didn't do everything right. He didn't run the store 24/7. He didn't use contract attendants. All that goes back to your pocketbook, your bottom line, the dollars in your pocket. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. Will he text me the landlord's number? I don't know. It makes sense that he doesn't have it in his head. And he also wants that. He's got 2.5 years remaining. Luckily, he's not trying to sell us the remaining lease. He did want to sell the equipment, but we didn't even get to price. Who gives a shit? I don't.
Right.
Why hasn't he texted it already? When he does, we'll give the landlord a call. Right. Again, I don't have a crystal ball, but like I said, he wants something. That's why he's holding the landlord's number out. It probably wouldn't be difficult for you to find who the landlord is here. I'd rather have that number so we can instantly call him.
Right.
On to the next.